Australia is a nation surrounded by water, with over 25,000 kilometers of coastline. The country's diverse coastal and marine ecosystems support a wealth of marine life, from tropical reefs and kelp forests to coastal wetlands and estuaries. These environments are home to iconic marine species such as dugongs, sea turtles, and saltwater crocodiles, as well as a wide variety of fish, corals, and invertebrates. The Great Barrier Reef, located off the coast of Queensland, is one of the world's most famous ecosystems. As the largest coral reef system on Earth, it stretches over 2,300 kilometers and contains thousands of species, including more than 1,500 species of fish, over 400 types of coral, and hundreds of species of mollusks and marine reptiles. The reef is also a critical breeding ground for sea turtles, which nest on its sandy beaches. The dugong is a marine mammal closely related to the manatee and is commonly found in the shallow waters of the Great Barrier Reef. Dugongs are herbivorous, feeding primarily on seagrasses, and are often referred to as sea cows. They play an essential role in maintaining the health of seagrass beds, which are important for carbon sequestration and provide habitat for other marine species. Australia's coastlines are also home to several species of sea turtles, including the green sea turtle, the loggerhead sea turtle, and the leatherback sea turtle. These turtles are migratory and often travel vast distances between feeding grounds and nesting sites. The Great Barrier Reef serves as a crucial nesting area for these species. However, sea turtles are facing significant threats from habitat destruction, climate change, and human activities such as fishing and coastal development. Saltwater crocodiles are another iconic species found in Australia's northern coastal regions. The Crocodilus porosus, the largest living reptile, can grow up to 7 meters long and is found in coastal mangrove swamps and river mouths. While they are a vital part of their ecosystems, saltwater crocodiles can pose a danger to humans, which has led to measures to manage their populations and ensure public safety. In addition to these well-known species, Australia's coastal ecosystems are home to a variety of birds, such as the Australian pelican oystercatchers and the black swan. Coastal wetlands are vital habitats for these species, providing nesting sites and food sources. The marine environments around Australia face numerous challenges, most notably climate change and its impact on coral reefs. Rising sea temperatures have led to widespread coral bleaching, particularly in the Great Barrier Reef, threatening the survival of many marine species. Overfishing, pollution, and coastal development are also contributing to the degradation of these ecosystems. Australia has implemented a range of conservation efforts to protect its marine environments. The Great Barrier Reef Marine Park Authority oversees the management and protection of the reef, while various conservation programs aim to protect sea turtles, dugongs, and other marine species. Marine protected areas like the Ningaloo Reef in Western Australia are also playing a critical role in preserving biodiversity. Australia's woodlands and savannas, which cover much of the interior and northern parts of the country, are characterized by open landscapes with scattered trees and grasses. These ecosystems are home to a wide variety of wildlife, including kangaroos, wallabies, and many bird species. Eucalyptus trees, which dominate much of the landscape, have adapted to survive in dry conditions, and their leaves provide food for many species such as koalas. The koala, one of Australia's most iconic animals, is a tree-dwelling marsupial that feeds almost exclusively on eucalyptus leaves. The koala is an example of how species have evolved to thrive in specific habitats. Koalas are found in the woodlands and forests of eastern Australia, where they spend most of their time in the treetops to avoid predators and the harsh heat of the ground. Wombats are another example of woodland-dwelling species. These stocky, burrowing marsupials have strong claws and live in complex underground burrow systems. Wombats are nocturnal and feed primarily on grasses, roots, and shrubs. Their burrows provide shelter from extreme temperatures, which is important in the often hot and dry conditions of the Australian outback. The lyrebird, an extraordinary and elusive bird, is native to the Australian woodlands. Known for its exceptional ability to mimic a wide variety of sounds, including chainsaws and camera shutters, the lyrebird is a master of vocal mimicry. It is considered one of the best mimics in the animal kingdom, capable of imitating more than 20 different species of birds and other sounds. Woodlands and savannas also support a variety of reptiles, such as bearded dragons and goannas, also known as monitor lizards. These reptiles are important predators in the ecosystem, feeding on smaller mammals, insects, and other reptiles. However, the woodlands and savannas of Australia face significant threats from land clearing, agricultural development, and climate change. Invasive species,